What's going on, YouTube? Dorito here.
And Gy6 over here on the opposite side this time.
Yep. And last week when we were racing, or on the last race that we had a little issue when we was trying to keep up with Luch in the little modified cart.
Nobody could do it.
And what happened was we were going down the road and the fan shattered. And, well, when the fan shattered, it broke the shroud. So what we're going to do today is we're going to change out the fan shroud and the fan and get that together. And now that does take a little bit of work. We're, you know, like Luch had said, we're going to do some extra steps. And
Don't forget the good stuff.
Yes. Well, we'll tell them after that. What we're going to do is we have to remove the air box. Okay? We have to remove the carburetor and the intake. We have to remove the exhaust. Now, we're going to do a little bit of extra stuff by doing what, Luch?
Remove the wheel, remove the shock. Just to, give us some extra room because, we're old, we're fat, and we like to take the easy way around things.
Yes, but you don't really have to do it, but it's going to make it a lot easier.
Probably.
Yep. So then, because we're going to take off the air box, we figured what the heck.
Now we can do it.
And we're going to go ahead and slap on the HammerHead intake. Okay.
High performance, people.
Yep, and that comes from HammerHead Performance.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Now we will be removing the stock air box as well as we're going to be putting in the Uni Air filter.
Uni, the only filter for your.
Yeah. So that is a little upgrade that we're going to do. We're going to go through the upgrades on this car because as of right now it's stock, but we have one that's not.
We're going to fix that.
Yeah, and we're going to just do little changes on the way up. Maybe we'll.
This is number one.
Yep. Maybe we'll do some shocks. Maybe we'll.
That would be fun.
Yeah. Maybe we will do the exhaust. But for now, we're just going to do the intake. So what we're going to do is we're going to speed this process up because this is going to take a little bit, and we want to make this a shorter video for you guys.
You don't like to watch us that long at all.
Yep. So let's get on with it.
Shall we?
All right, guys, we're back. And tell them what we did, Luch.
Took a whole bunch of stuff off.
Yep. Well, what we did was we took the tire off.
And we took all the plastic off. I had to do all the plastic to get down to the fan, people. You have to take the exhaust off. You have to take the air box off. You have to take the carbonoodle and the intake off.
Yep.
And then you can pretty much get to the plastics. Now, the plastics not only bolt together like this. Yeah, you like that?
It's kind of a wrap.
They not only bolt together like this, but they also bolt together onto the engine too, like that.
Yep.
So make sure you get all the bolts off before you start yanking your plastics.
Yep. And this is our old fan. It kind of blowed up.
It blowed up good.
Yeah, we don't know if something flew in and hit it or if it just shattered over RPMs. But regardless,
It didn't make it.
it didn't make it at all.
But this one is guaranteed to last just as probably long as that one does.
Yep. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to fast forward it again.
Put the plastics back on.
Yep, and put it all together and bring it down.
It's important you keep those on too because that creates the airflow to cool down the whole engine.
Yes, because this is an air-cooled engine, and this fan really does help cool it down. It's not just going to be driving down the road.
That's right.
That cools it down. So, anyways, we're going to speed this up as we do this, so let's get on with it.
Shall we?
All right, guys, we are back. And tell them what you had to do, Luch.
Boy, let me tell you what I had to do. We had to, well, you saw what we did to take it apart.
Yeah.
Well, we did the opposite of that to put it back together. We first put the exhaust back up. Well, after we test fit
Everything.
made sure it all worked.
Yeah.
We figured out it did until it didn't.
Yeah, but we still made it
But we
work.
still corrected it. What we had to do is take off our intake manifold and put that along with the cover down together.
Yeah.
So it would all like sandwich together. And then we could put the carburetor on and the exhaust and all that good stuff on after that.
Yeah.
So once you finagle all that back together on the top, it's just a matter of bolting it all back together and putting your cover bolts in wherever they go.
Yeah, it's more time consuming than anything. It isn't too bad. Here, let's get you a little clean there, buddy. It isn't too bad.
My knees are always dirty working here at Luch Mom Garage.
Yeah, but it isn't too bad at
Wonder
all.
why.
So, anyways, what we did also, we decided to eliminate the airbox completely. We went with
Get rid of it.
We went with the HammerHead Performance intake, the tried and
Right
true.
here.
Been running this on the HammerHead. I also got it on a modified buggy. I think we're going to do the modifications to this and go a little
buddy.
further. Now we got the Uni
That's
filter.
the one. Uni, baby, Uni.
Yeah. Now Luch is going to go ahead and put that on, and then we're going to put on the tire, and then we're going to set it down, and we're going to start it up. Now, what this is going to do is just help it breathe better. It's not going to do anything else. We haven't changed the jets or anything like that.
Not yet.
Yeah, we'll figure that out and go from
That's next,
here.
baby.
Yep. So we just want to show you the coolness. You can get this stuff at HammerHeadPerformance.com.
We'll put a link right down here.
Yeah, and they're really, really good price. And
Now-
also, we'll put a link in the description.
As you can see, it's got this neat bend to it.
Yeah.
Okay, you want that bend. If you can see the intake here, it comes out kind of like at an angle. So we want to take this bend and put it in there like that so it kind of absorbs that angle that the intake comes out at. And it sits there nice and perfect right next to your electrical box.
Yep. So Luch is going to go ahead and get that on there and tighten that up, and then put on the tire, and we're going to lower it down, and we'll get right back to you guys, okay?
Do you?
Do ya?
What's it do you?
What's that, tool ya? But yeah, this is a really big, to me, I really like these filters in this intake, so we'll see how it does.
Uni's the only way to go.
Yep. All right, guys, we're back, and we're done here. We actually switched the engine cover, the shroud, and the fan. And then
Upper and lower shroud.
upper and lower
And
shroud.
the fan.
And the fan.
And the side cover.
And the side cover, yeah.
All of it.
All of it's been replaced. And, you know, it's real basic, but it takes some time. You got to remove your exhaust. You got to remove your intake and everything. And then what we decided to do was take the airbox out and put in this HammerHead intake and as
It's
well
beautiful,
the
people.
Uni filter. It is really good looking. You guys can check them out. Look
See
up.
it? It's right there.
Yep. Check them out on HammerHeadPerformance.com.
And the Uni filter.
Yeah. And don't forget to use the coupon code LuchMob for a discount.
That's right.
But anyways, Luch is going to fire this up right now. We're going to see how it sounds, make sure nothing rubs, anything like that. So let's check it out.
Let's give it a shot, huh? Sounds good to me.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Shut it off now.
Oh, you know, it's really great when
The
you
exhaust
can
was hit me in the face.
enjoy the sense of nature
Yep.
as it blows up your eyeballs.
Right in your eyeballs. So anyways, that's all done. This thing's ready to race again.
Going back out on the circuit, baby.
Yep. So we're going to go ahead and get some more races going on it. We're going to figure out, we're going to modify this thing so it can at least keep up with the Luch cart.
Ain't nothing gonna keep up with the Luchmobile.
That thing is pretty fast.
That's beautiful cart. Beautiful
Yep.
cart.
So I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out Tal Motors, and don't forget to check out HammerHeadPerformance.com.
Everything you need.
Yeah,
to go fast.
These parts, really, the modification parts, they really help a lot.
And
So,
they're quality too. They're very nicely made.
they are good stuff. That is a real nice looking intake. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to come back to Luch Mob Garage. And this is Dorito.
And the Lucha Cabre.
Yep.
This one.
Peace.
Some burritos.